Sorry about that. To the people, that's why you should attend class. Okay, let's move on. So let me just go a bit back for the sake of the recording. Now, this is a program that is based on the challenge 1. This is a program that is based on challenge, the second challenge. We could call it challenge 2, but I decided to call it Aboki Forex. Now, this first line is a comment. And what the comment does is it documents what the next line is for. This next line will just print out, print out what is in between this. It will say, this is a program to convert from dollar, pounds, or euros to naira. Now, the first thing we want to do, we want to ask the user how much they want to convert. So we say value is equals to float. We use float instead of int because with float, we are only interested in decimals. With int, we're interested in whole numbers. So yeah, we say, please enter how much you want to convert. If we use float, let's say we enter a decimal where we require an int, we will crash the program. Now, ask the user for the currency. What this does is, this will generate a menu. So now is a good time to run the program, run module. Enter how much you want to convert, 100. So you see, which currency do you want to convert to? Dollars, pounds, euros. Please make a choice. So if I choose $1, it doesn't do anything, but let's just choose something first. So we can stop there. So how many people have reached here so that you can screen share if you have any error, then I can correct. Okay, Mr. Victor, what we'll do, let me stop screen sharing. You share your screen so that we go through the error together. So Mr. Victor, share your screen. Okay, excellent. What you didn't do is you didn't close, you opened with those, this thing. Go to before the plus sign, the question mark, go to the question mark. Okay, so talk to me or unmute yourself, talk to me. Yes, there, run it now. That's not it. Put that /n, no. This /n, put it inside the, no, not there, put it inside. Delete the one after the please. No, not there. You see in all the others. No, like this. Let me show you in the chat. It should be like this. /n, then please. Do you see?
Okay. Oh, yeah, I get it.
Yes, run it down.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Okay, how much do you want to convert?
100.
Do you see the menu?
Yes, I see the menu.
Okay, excellent. So let's quickly do something. So I'm going to stop you from screen sharing right now.
Okay.
So we go back to class. Okay. what we'll do next, let me continue sharing my screen. So let's continue. So convert the currency. So we'll now say if currency is equals to 1, that means the user chose dollars. What do we do? Convert to dollars. So amount is equals to value times. So let's go to Aboki FX. Aboki FX. So that we're using the most recent values of so that we're using the most recent values. But while that is loading, we can continue. So we'll wait, we'll just go to the next time. We'll say if else, if currency equals to 2, then this is convert to pounds. Amount value times. Else if currency yes, that's what it does. That's what it does. Slash n, they are called, you can Google this later, they are called escape sequences. They are a whole family. It belongs to that family. Yes. Okay, the page has loaded. So somewhere at the bottom, you see it. If you look at the bottom, so Naira to USD is this. Copy. Sorry. Naira to USD is this. Naira to pound. The Naira to, sorry, didn't copy that one. You didn't copy it. Okay, we are done. Now, what is left for us to do is we should print it. But I'm going to wait for everybody. I'm going to wait for like 3 minutes. Does anybody have any question we can address before we move on? We have 32 minutes left in this class. Does anybody have any question they want to ask before we move on?
Hi, Trustin. My question is, when writing if statements in the programming, any programming language, I believe, writing an else or elif statement is not meant to be nested within the if statement, like in terms of the, what I call it, tab. But what I'm seeing you do is that they're all on the same indentation from your program here. So
Okay,
what's the difference between the elif now and else? So the elif is supposed to be indented and the else probably on the same indent with the if. I don't.
no. The difference is this. Elif just creates a block with the if statement. If we didn't use the elif, we would use two more if statements and it will give us the same thing. Concerning nesting, I know what you mean, but I'll tell you, it's not always you use nesting. Sometimes you look at this case, like in this case, there's no need for nesting. That's why I didn't use it. Do you understand?
I guess so.
You can test it out. Don't take my word for it. It's coding. Test it out. The worst that will happen is you can't even crash your machine. It's Python. It's not C++. So you can't crash your machine. Okay, so I'm going to borrow code from somewhere and I'll put it at the top. And then I'll use that to because right now the internet is threatening me. It's telling me this thing. So I want us to move. Okay, so copy this so that we do for dollars and then we take the same idea and then we do for the rest. So remember to copy this first one. It's highlighted here. Okay, guys, please, if I drop out of this class, just wait for me, no matter how long it takes. I'll try and rejoin the class. Do you understand? Please, it's raining in my end of Lagos, so anything can happen to my internet at any time. It's raining right now where I stay. It's light rain. very light rain, but it's raining. So anything can happen at any time. So if I drop out of the class, don't leave. Stay, wait for me, even if it's 10 minutes. Wait for me. I will rejoin the class and I'll come and finish. Please. Okay, so you type in this. What this does is this. It allows you to, because we are dealing with money, it allows you to add commas to the amount that will be outputted by the user. Excuse me. Okay, so this one, I'm going to paste it. Control C in the chat area. Control V. But it belongs on a straight line. That's for pounds. And this is for euros. Okay. Excuse me. I'm coming. So are we done? Okay, that's Victor. I need one more person. I need one more person. What I would do is this. There's something called what we can do. Look through the code. Okay, so Victor says he's done. The rest of you, please, are you done? I need one more person to be done. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Import local. Victor, is it working correctly?
Let me run it and see.
Okay, can you share your screen? Okay, invalid syntax. Where? You didn't put semicolon. Do that for 3 too.
Is there meant to be a syntax here?
Yes, semicolon.
Oh, okay.
You use local. Where is that? What line is that? Line 2.
It's supposed to be E, right? After it.
Yes. Wow, that's high.
Well, yeah.
But you see it works now, Shay.
Yes, I see so.
Okay, so we're done with challenge 2. So for challenge 3, it will be something on Euclid's algorithm. How many people understood Euclid's algorithm when we did it yesterday? Or I want us to know so that we do a quick revision. How many people understood it? If you understood it, say yes in the chat area. I'm waiting for 1 year, so. I'm waiting for a yes. Okay, so since nobody understood it, let's do it again in class. Okay, guys, I think my internet is dropping. If you can still hear me, type, just speak out. I can't pick up anybody.
I can hear you.
Okay, you can. Okay, I was asking, how many people understood Euclid's algorithm? Okay, you can. Okay, I thought it had dropped finally. Okay, nobody did. Okay, let's go. Let's open the Python shell. Let's open the Python shell. Hello? Hello? Thank you all for waiting. I'm sorry about that. That was, wow. That was due to circumstances beyond my control.
No
Is
problem.
anyone still there?
Yeah, I was still here.
I'm really sorry. It's raining in my part of Lagos and I can't control the internet. So really sorry about that. So let's go back to Euclid's algorithm. Let's review it because challenge number 3 is Euclid's algorithm. So let's review the algorithm and then we'll move on. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, let's say we are given two numbers, 625. Let's say we are given two numbers, 2025 and 1125. How do we find their highest common divisor or their HCF? Does anybody want to guess? What is their HCF?
The HCF will be a number that can divide both numbers without a remainder.
Excellent. The highest number that can divide both numbers without remainder. What number would that be?
Can we see numbers again, please? Oh, my guess would be I don't think it's 5, but 5 can divide both of can go into both of them. The remainder. Question 5.
What did you say?
5 can go in. I guess 25 should be able to. Okay, let me.
Okay, somebody said 25. That's close. So let's do it with an algorithm. Now, the way you do it is this. I'm going to show you the demo. You come here, you say modulus. Now, in the last class, I explained what modulus is. Modulus means remainder. Modulus means remainder. So 2025 modulus 1125, you get something. You get 900. So you now take 900 and 1125. So you say 1125 modulus 900, 225, 900 modulus 225 to give you what? 0. So the HCF is what? 225. Do you understand?
I'm trying to understand. So when you say 2025 modulus 1125, what does that? What computation just went on there to get 900? Was it like division?
No, remainder division.
Please explain it. I can't picture it in my head.
Okay, let's start easy. 12 modulus 2 is equals to what? 0. 12 modulus 2 is 6 remainder what?
0.
Okay, 13 modulus 5 is what? It's 2 whole number remainder 3.
Yeah, 3. Yeah. Okay, so what
Do you
happened?
understand?
Yeah, I understand now. So what happened there was 2025 was divided by 1125. So 1125 can go into that other number 900 times. No, that's 0. Is that
No,
what
no,
happened?
no. It will be 1 whole number remainder 0. If you look at it, 1125. Let's do it the way you understand. Divided by 1125. Shay?
Okay.
1 minus 1. 1.8 minus 1.
0.8.
Minus 1. Good. 0.8 times 1125 is equal to what? Do you understand?
But what we just did now does not apply to what we did for 13 modulus 5, 12 modulus 2. So for 12 modulus 2, we are saying there's no remainder if 2 goes into 12, which is 0. For 13,
Yes.
we're having a remainder of 3 if 5 goes into 13. Then for 2025, we're having a remainder of 900. Okay, I get it now.
You get it?
Yes, I get it now.
Okay. So what happens is this: to do modulus, we go on a spreadsheet. The best way to understand Euclid's algorithm is to use a spreadsheet. This thing is not loading. But if you have a spreadsheet, let me see if I can get Notepad.
It seems like you have, don't you have Excel?
I don't have Excel on the machine. I don't use anything. Everything I have is on the cloud. Everything I have is on the cloud. My Python is I run Google Colab, I run everything on the cloud. So on a day like this where it rains, we usually suffer. But what I want to show you is the alternative to a spreadsheet. So first number. If you read the book, you will understand what I'm saying. M. Second, so tab, second number. N. Please, I hope you guys can see this. Tab, remainder. R. So the first number is 225. 2025, right? 1125. 900. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
So this is 1125. This is 900. This is 225. This is 900, 225, and 0. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's do for another set of numbers. Let's do for another set of numbers. Let's do for, okay, you give me two numbers.
825.
That's 25 is too low. Give me something higher.
50.
It's still low. It's already obvious.
Okay, do 200.
It's obvious now. The HCF is 200. Okay, don't worry. 625. Right?
Okay.
So let's clean out this one first. First number is 800, right? Second number is 625. Please, as I'm going, create this either in a spreadsheet or in a table. It's the same thing. This modulo 625, what's the answer?
You just create in a spreadsheet?
or in a table. If you have Excel, Excel is the best for this. My Google Cloud is not working today. My Google Drive is not working today because of the rain. So I can't use it. I can't access it.
Is there a way to represent modulus in an Excel sheet? Or is it just putting numbers manually?
Yeah, just put the numbers manually.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this is 175.
5.
Now, the way it goes is that it goes from right to left. So we now say 625.
5.
175.
5. Yeah.
So we now say 625 modulus
175.
175 is equals to 100. 100. So in the next row,
175.
175, yes,
100.
100.
75.
Are you sure? Have you done it already?
I'm sure now it's obvious.
Okay, it's obvious. It's obvious now. It's obvious, yes. Okay. 100,
75.
75. And it's obvious that is what?
25.
75, 25. It's obvious that is what?
0.
So,
0.
Is that rejoicing? Thought I was rejoicing that because it came at the moment where we got it. Maybe somebody was rejoicing that he finally understood the algorithm.
Because my question is, I'm trying to understand something. So if we're to do, oh, okay. So now what's the purpose of all these figures we've gotten now? I want to understand.
They
Because
help you. They help you find the HCF of two numbers.
okay, so how do I get that from this obvious
Okay,
number?
so the value of the second number where the remainder is 0 is your HCF.
Okay, I get.
So this is your HCF.
25.
25. Then you stop. You stop the algorithm.
So what if you don't get 0 at the end? What happens?
It's not possible. I don't think it's possible to have two numbers that, okay, because except prime numbers. So if you say 71 and 43, let's try it. 71 modulus 43. That is 28. 71. Now we know that they are both prime numbers, so the HCF will be 1. That is 28. 43 modulus 28. That is 15.
But 3 first.
Sorry, I've already jumped. 43 modulus 28. 15, right?
Okay, 28, 15.
28 modulus 15.
That
So
will be 13. Yes.
This will be 28 modulus 15. That will be 13. 15 modulus 13. That will be 2. 13
2.
modulus
1 is
2.
fine.
No, that will be 1.
Okay, yeah, that's 1, yes. Yeah, you're
13
correct.
modulus, sorry, modulus
2.
modulus 2 is 1.
Is 1, yeah. 2 modulus 1 is 0.
2, you understand it now. 2 modulus 1 is 0. So what's the HCF?
The HCF is 1.
The HCF is 1. So you've understood a classical algorithm. The
Yes, thank you.
challenge 3 will be to program it. Do you understand, guys?
You say what?
Challenge number 3 will be to program it.
HCF or modulus?
Yes. No, write a Python program that will find the HCF of 2 numbers. That is challenge number 3.
Okay.
Don't worry, it's easy. It's in the book.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a good place to stop. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for attending class. Despite the interruption, thank you very much for also waiting for me. God bless you all. Have a good night.
This your plenty links.
Oh, you saw that?
We caught you.
It's the price you pay. It's the price we pay for everything we have. Okay, so thank you very much for everything. Have a good night, guys.